Good morning. I say good morning. It is nearly lunchtime. I've been sat in bed, drinking tea, eating fruit, and yeah, thinking about getting ready. So today we are now not car booting because it's rained. And it's going to rain all day, on and off. But it's still raining. Spots on the paddling pool cover. Yeah. So, yeah. So no car boot for us. So we are going to whiz to the Blue Cross fundraiser. It's a summer fundraiser. Unfortunately, it's raining, but they do have a hall that they're using at the moment, so hopefully most of it will be indoors and won't affect the fundraiser too much. Hopefully people will still come. So we're going to go and show our support to them. I think it's good to help them out. They're a good charity, and they, you know, they do help these poor homeless animals. And actually, a couple of families that I look after have connections to Blue Cross, so doubly important to go and support them. And then what am I doing? Then we're going to whiz off to see Lee's mum and probably his nan. I might pop into Tesco's. And then my sister's coming over because she hasn't seen the boys for a few weeks and she wants to see them. So she's going to come over later on this afternoon and come and see the boys. So that is our plan. Not car booting after all.
I want 185.
You want 185? Why? What is 185? 105? 5 or a 0?
No, I failed.
5.
885.
We'll see.
I got an 8. 8.
Oh, that's cool.
8. You got some perfume?
No, it's
nail varnish.
Would you like this? You're
let's
the
see.
one.
What is
You're
it?
the one who does the.
It's Mum's Christmas present.
Yeah, go on then, I'll have that.
Yeah.
Awesome, thanks. You want blue or yellow, yeah? Unless you fancy...
Did you pay for me yet?
Not yet. Neutral. Go on then, what have you got?
Why are you being dainty?
I got a duck.
Oh, that's cute. Go on then, Brendan, what are you going to get? Thank you. With the good stuff at the bottom.
I don't know. I found something.
Yellow. Is that the one you want?
Yeah, that only took like going like that.
They're in the picture.
What you got?
I don't know.
What? It looks like a thin
Yeah, these are perfectly up Jasper Street.
Perfectly up Jasper
Little
Street.
toy cat.
Oh, we've got some of those at home. Cool, he'll love those.
A bag of cats.
A bag of cats, he'll love that.
Awesome.
Which cake are we going to have?
Look, Mother, they have muffins over there too.
We've got savoury things as well.
Oh, look at
Fishy balls. Yeah, they're cool, I like those.
You're too big.
Look at hang down there.
Oh look, unicorn poo. These are good. Those things, I might get one of those. Slimer. Oh yeah. I've never seen them like that.
Yeah, they're very easy to do. You crochet magic circles, 8 stitches,
Right.
and then you chain about 20, something like that, and then you do 2 single crochet in one,
Right.
and then in the next chain you do 3 single crochet, and then the next chain 3 single crochet, so you work all the way back, and as you do it, it curls.
And they spiral up.
And they spiral up, and you can make them longer if you want to. But go on Pinterest,
Okay.
and the pattern for them is on there, but it's very, very simple.
He takes his octopus everywhere with him. Literally everywhere we go. He's just so into his sea creatures.
Yeah, I've got a lovely baby from the back way.
How was the fundraiser?
Good. I want this.
You bought that?
I won it using money.
What else did you get?
Got.
You won bubbles.
I want bubbles and a duck. Looks like a platypus.
Does look like a platypus. A duck. Matches your top. Thanks. What's up, duck? Where we go now?
Nanny's.
Yeah. Stopped at Tesco's. Your father wants some rolls because I didn't buy the right ones.
What ones did you buy?
I bought crusty part bake ones, and he wants soft
not
finger
right.
rolls.
The
Apparently
part
not.
bake- They're not right for burgers and they're not right for sausage rolls.
They're good for burgers though.
Well, I'm not buying them for sausage rolls. I'm buying them for hot dogs.
It's all wrong.
They
Aren't all hot dogs in buns sausage rolls?
are sausages in rolls. They are not
Yes.
sausage rolls.
They'll be chili sausage.
Sausage rolls are something different.
They are sausage in rolls.
I've got a new phone.
You have got a new phone. Do you want to say something about your new phone? What is your thoughts?
Big.
What is it?
It's an Honor
It
7
has no accelerometer.
An Honor 7 what?
gyroscope.
X.
7S.
It's got no gyroscope or accelerometer.
Okay.
Back is made of plastic. Its camera is great.
Yeah.
It cannot do AR in Pokemon Go
I'm
or VR.
going to see.
Does that affect the game particularly?
No, but I was really hoping for a gyroscope.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's a good phone still.
Sad.
Still a good phone.
And we get more data.
How much data you get now?
We get 4 gigabytes instead of 1 gigabyte.
And how much does it cost you?
It costs £16 instead of £19.
That's good.
This phone.
So you had 2 gig for 19, and now the new
No,
offer
we had
is
1 gig for 19.
1 gig for 19, and now the new
Then
offer
4
is
gigs for
4
16.
gigs for 16, and a better phone.
Yep. Got a massive screen.
Happy with it then?
Yeah. I think it's like 5.7 inches or 5.6 inches.
Awesome.
I think our data has to be stored.
Yes. So we're just going to hang out here in the car outside Tesco's in the rain. Look, it's raining. No car boot for us, eh? No money making.
No.
Next weekend then, yeah? Oh, we've got to sell the stuff. Otherwise I'll give it to charity and you won't get any money for it.
My data hasn't been stored yet.
Don't ignore me, I'm talking to you.
My data hasn't been stored yet.
I'm talking to you.
And we're ignoring you.
Insolent children.
We're just being like our mother.
Oh.
I think you'll find I'm delightful.
Oh.
I'm delightful.
She has become mute
Shot
mother.
fired. Shot
Mum.
fired.
Daddy ended up ringing and threw my phone recording out. Did I want razor blades or did I want new razor? I want razor blades. For my armpits! Look at that!
This goes down.
No,
She
they're
wants
not.
a razor blade.
They're finely shaven. No furry armpits for me.
Like
No.
the bad thing with this phone is, no offense to Apple lovers, but the
No offence to
settings-
Apple lovers. I
Very
hate
much
it.
offence to Apple lovers.
the
Right,
settings right next to YouTube,
right.
that is Apple style.
Oh.
Unacceptable.
You don't like Apple, do you?
No.
Anti-Apple in this house.
And yeah,
Yeah.
all my
You have
friends
to
have
factor
Apple.
in Apple tax.
Apple tax.
Apple tax is defined as the extra price added on after the value of the device
All
plus
right.
profit. So you
And then just because it's got Apple written in front of it, then you get,
yep,
because it says I, you get the extra money.
yeah, it's more prevalent on iPhones where the tech is only worth about 399 quid or so.
Why are you
But-
making this car rock? It's making me seasick. Stop it!
But
You're
yeah,
gonna be sick.
iPhones are only worth about say 500 to 300 quid.
And then they double it
They-
for iTax.
So they for the profit they might add like 100 or 200 quid on, and then to make 1,000 that's just Apple tax.
I've got a specific
Huawei-
thing about Android
Huawei
phones.
doesn't add much
If you don't
of their own
know-
branding on.
On like what, depending what
High definition photo of my
depending on what system, like what system update you're on. So if you go onto system, it's right at the bottom of the settings, only on Android. And then you go about phone, and then there's Android version, mine's 8.1. Look, you tap it a bunch of times and look.
Oh, it's an Oreo.
And then like my one doesn't work, but if
Oh.
you do like that and
Huawei
then hold,
Huawei UI messed
a
with
mini
it.
game is supposed to.
Oh, so you haven't got the mini game. It's
You've
not a
got
Samsung.
It. You've got it.
Sponsorship
I've got
opportunities are
it.
available here.
Okay, so there's your phone review on the Huawei S7.
What? No, it's an Honor S7.
Honor.
It's made by Huawei.
Oh, whatever.
It's not S7, it's 7S.
Honor 7S. Okay, there's your
S7
review.
is branded by
Free
Samsung.
review on my Sunday vlog. I'm just going to wait for my man and my razor blades.
Sponsor the vlogs.
Mwah.
Contact.
Chili cheese dogs. Aldi special. Cheese and tomato sandwich on gluten free. Yum yum yum. Till then, the middle grid is blocked for you. So you have to shoot one person before you can get into the middle.
So I just be a savage and just go.
And it's the first Caleb into the box in the middle after shooting at least one person. As you approach the
Okay, it's your turn now.
Okay. Using coding manoeuvres. So I want to do this. Move one step forward. So I'm going this
And
get a resource.
What was that?
Wow, one step forward. Wow,
You
my
can't.
It's as buggy as anything. It's 100% bug.
Well, can you use one of your? Oh, you chose to do that instead of a resource card.
Yeah,
isn't
but
it?
you should-
Okay, so
I
that's a
bet
bug
you
card.
get a resource.
Then I bet you
No.
Why won't you let me
Don't worry,
die?
Brendan. I'm going to shoot you on your next turn.
Just to put you out of your misery.
I'm going to shoot you next turn round.
Where's the muffin song?
Are you? How are you going to do that?
Well,
With great effort.
Right, Kenzie, you'll go. What are you
Oh, we
going
need
to
to
do?
wait for Brendan's muffin
No,
song.
you keep going.
Oh, okay.
My
You're
Caleb is
going-
now going to play the muffin song.
so you have to play one of them or discard one.
Oh, she got to shoot diagonally.
No.
It's not that sort of game.
No.
What are you doing, sir? What are you doing?
Carving extremely tough sticks.
What are you making?
Gnomes, I think.
Gnome templates for forest school. You might be going too deep into the wood if you do it layer by layer, because the blade should be quite. My blade
It's not sharp.
was sharp. Don't rub your finger along it. That's silly. Okay. Don't, I said. Thank you.
It's
Cool.
blunted.
We need to get a knife sharpener then to
Or
sharpen
rock.
it. Yeah, sharpening rock. Maybe I should order one. Maybe it'll come tomorrow if I go and order one.
Yes, it will.
If it's on Prime, it might.
If it's on Prime, you have about 3 hours left.
I'll go do it now
I
then.
think. If it's in an
Can you show us one that you've...
Just did this one. It's rather snub-nosed
Okay.
hat.
Well, that's
This
cool.
is the template I should be working from.
Yeah.
Close enough.
Yeah, that's close enough. So this is their hat, so the kids get to colour in the hat. And then, then they get to draw a face on the front of their gnome. That's their little gnomey person. Oh, it doesn't like to stay in focus.
That's because it's got too much of a similar coated background.
It does.
Put your hand behind it. It focuses better.
Is that like a YouTube Pro? Put your hand behind it, makes
know
it
how
work.
everything works for some reason.
Cool.
The green money sign next to YouTube ad monetization is a joke.
Is it?
The apocalypse is upon us.
Okay. I'll leave you to your whittling then. Don't cut anything off that's not meant to be cut off, like your fingers or your legs.
I don't need legs. I do need fingers.
Well, you need legs so that you can go and hoover that living room for me and that, well, hoover the whole of downstairs for me. You need legs for that.
We need to charge that Roomba.
Yeah, we do.
Put the Roomba on charge.
Not right now. No.
No, it has to be done now, otherwise it won't be ready for tomorrow.
Well, no, you can do it later. I'm not actually sure where the charger is, to be fair.
It's in the...
In the junk cupboard?
Yes.
Yeah, you can do that. It will be in
Hey,
the...
you made that cupboard that way.
It will be in the cable box, to be fair. If you really want it. Right, I'm going. I need a shower, I stink. See you later.
Oh, yeah, do you accept pound coins for Amazon payment?
Not ones that are not real, no.
What, the old ones?
Yeah.
Oh.
You're trying to give me your fake pound coins, your old pound coins?
Yes, because you have a stack of them already that you need to take to
Well,
the bank.
yeah, I don't want any more.
But if you have some you need to take to the bank.
It's not legal currency. You can go to the bank. You could cycle to the bank and
Hells no.
exchange them. Exactly.
Hells no, I'm not taking
You could
£1
hang out with
to
your
the bank.
friends and, you know, socialise and
Hells
see
no,
people.
I ain't going to the bank for £1 exchanged.
Okay.
I'm not taking yours now.
Right, well, in that case, you'll have to just deal with it. Who would like to check out my new squidgy balls? Look. Yeah. And this one. And this one. is actually for the kids, but you know, they're fun. I got them from the fundraiser. It's going in my chill out box, which I will do a video about. Look. Oh, so I'm going to do it now. So I'm going to do a chill out box for kids. Although you could have a chill out box for adults, because these things are fun to play with. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Lots of fun. Make a cool noise. Right, I am going to go for a shower. We've not got a lot done today. Well, we have. We've seen people. We've had family over. But we've not, like, done much that I can film. So we've checked out Kenzie's new coding game. That was good fun. A bit confusing to start with. But we got there in the end. So I'm going to go and have a shower. And then I'm going to read my book and hopefully get it finished this afternoon. I was hoping I'd get to watch some Ghost Adventures, because it's Sunday night and we usually watch it Sunday night. But unfortunately, I don't think we can get one. I think they're on a break in America. Keep having these like big breaks. You have like 3 episodes or something and then you get a big break. So, I'm going to put my squidgy balls down. Stop laughing. And yeah, go have a shower. Cool. Tomorrow will be more interesting. Tomorrow we are back to work, back to doing fun things, and yeah, a lot more will be happening tomorrow. So check in tomorrow for Monday's vlog. And I've had a couple of ideas for fun extra videos, so I'm going to stick a few of those up. And for those of you who enjoy my childcare stuff, I'm going to do a few more videos on fun activities for kids, so I'll be putting those up as well this week. I think that's everything. Cool. If I don't speak to you again tonight before tonight's out, then I'll see you tomorrow.